Good morning, students. Take out your English reader book. Today we will read lesson 28. Raghu the Dreamer. Raghu the Dreamer. First of all, we will read new words. Floor, floor, gems, gems, crash, crash, famine, famine, trouble, trouble, smashed, smashed. Okay, now we will read the lesson. There was a poor man called Raghu. There was a poor man and his name was Raghu. So poor was he that some days he did not even have food to eat. He was so poor. Sometimes he did not have anything to eat. One day he got a pot of wheat flour. Wheat flour. आटा, गेहूं का आटा. One day he got a pot of wheat flour. You can see in the picture, this is the pot of wheat flour. He was very happy. He hung the pot near his bed and lay down. He hung the pot near the bed and lay down. I wish I was rich, thought Raghu. Then I would not have to beg from door to door. And he began to dream. He was thinking that if he will be a rich man. And when he lay down, he started taking dream. Okay. Shall I eat this wheat flour? He thinks, shall I eat this wheat flour? He thought, suppose there is a famine. Famine means shortage of the thing. Then I will sell this wheat flour for a lot of money. He sees in the dream that suppose there is a famine, there will be a shortage of wheat flour, then I will sell this wheat flour and I will get a lot of money. Then I will buy a cow. The cow will give calves and milk. I will sell the milk and buy a sweet shop. I will sell good barfi, rasgullas and gulab jamuns. Children will come running to buy my sweets. I will get richer and richer. He is taking a dream. He says that he will buy a cow, he will sell milk, and after that he will buy a sweet shop, and then he will sell barfi, rasgullas and gulab jamuns, and then he will get richer and richer. With all the money I will buy gems. I will go to the king. He will say, I have never seen such beautiful gems. He will give me lots and lots of money. Then with all the money I will buy gems and then I will go to the king of this town. And then king will say, I have never seen such beautiful gems. And then the king will give me lots of money. I will buy a big house with the swimming pool and fruit trees. White swans will be swimming about in the pool. Then one day the king will come to me and ask me to marry the princess. I shall say, yes, soon we will have a son. Then I will marry the princess and then soon we will have a son. I will love him, but when he is naughty, I will beat him. If he troubles me too much, I will take a stick and beat him hard. This is the picture you can see. Thinking he was beating his son, Raghu moved his hand in the air. Crash! The pot of wheat flour fell down and was smashed into 100 pieces. Now the pot of wheat flour fell down and it was smashed into 100 pieces. The noise woke up Raghu. He looked around, but there was no big house, no pool, no princess, no son, and no pot of wheat flour even. Now the Raghu woke up and he looked that there is no big house, no pool, no princess, no son, and no pot of wheat flour even. So we should not see the dreams of becoming rich and rich. Okay? Now you will read this lesson. Okay? Carefully. Thank you.